I am Dizeye Basha. I'm preacher for African spirituality and the voice of African identity. African sacred sites are not myths. They are real and they are power. And the sacred of Africans started in a mountain, in the trees, and the rivers. They live with it. They live in the nature. And this is where our ancestors played to God, communicate to your God. And this activity was daily activities. It was not happening on particular day of the weeks. It was everyday activities. Let we claim the land. Let we claim the power of ancestors. They believe, and they believe in nature. Let's our education make us to be proud who we are, to be proud of our name, to be proud of our African culture, to be proud of African ancestors. Let's reclaim your African names and your African beliefs. Thank you.